Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. And today in this video, as you can see guys, I'm showing you some beautiful and latest scrunchies patterns designs, like they are polka dot and some are simples made with silks and cotton materials, and you can it can help you style up your hair, and they're very fashion in trending nowadays, and people love to wear it to look stylish and elegant at the same time. And you can design it in any way by purchasing a simple silk and dot silk, so you can tie up your hair in any type of, and your hair looks so beautiful and stylish and trending, and that at the same times by wearing these scrunchies, because they are very popular and trending in nowadays. So yeah, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and let me know your